Well, damn. Haven't seen y'all in a fat minute. See what's going on with our stats on YouTube real quick. Alright, my YouTube is still doing pretty good. It's still alright. Not gonna lie, I haven't uploaded in almost a year, which is fucking, I think it's already a year actually. Hold on. 28 days, 1,300 views still, so we're doing good on views, but subscriber count isn't doing so well, so let's try to fix that this year. I think this year is gonna be my big year that I'm gonna actually record videos. Yeah, we'll go from there. Trying to get a house right now. Yeah, I'm gonna be trying to make some new videos and shit. The Mazda, it had a big update. A big update. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys here in a bit. Going to the gym right now, guys. Shit, and then we're gonna actually go start the Mazda. I'll show you a little sneak peek of it before I make that video of it, but that new video is gonna probably be the best one I've made, I hope, at least. I'm at 24-hour fitness. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I'm kind of far because here's so many fucked people, it's kind of annoying, but anyways, hopefully I can get a spot in there. And then I'll meet you guys back out here after I'm done going to the gym, and then gonna go start the Mazda, and then also grab some I think the mount to actually mount you guys on the window. It's like a Canon mount, so. I got a spider web on me. That's disgusting. Let's see. Kind of sounded dead. Right? And it's dead again. This thing is so dead. Trust me guys, new video on this probably this week. Not really sure, but I gotta go now, so. Fucking love the Beamer, dog. Stage 2 clutch in the Beamer is fucking annoying sometimes. Shit, just got back from running. Had to go to Walmart and bought some meat and all that for myself. Had to get some steak and all that, you know. Jesus. Sick as fuck, boy. As you guys know, I haven't been recording for at least a year. I think 11 months. No, I think my last video was like a year ago. So recently I've been wanting to make videos again, but I'm thinking about getting a 360 camera right now, and then I'm gonna be uploading a lot more frequent. Yeah man, it's been pretty hectic. Last year we had a bunch of work, and I'm working like 6-7 days a week sometimes. Not really enough time to make videos and shit, but I really want this shit to work, so yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm gonna try to get a house right now. I'm gonna try to upload at least once a week, or maybe twice a week, who knows. But whenever I have time, I'm gonna try to record a video and make a video for you guys, so my channel doesn't die, and and keep this shit alive. So probably my next video is gonna be about the Mazda. It's been raining for like a week in San Diego, so not really much content there. Probably gonna wait till it's sunny so we can at least make a cool little video about the Mazda. I've been trying to show you guys what I've done to it so far since I've made a video. It's been like a year. I've also done shit to the Beamer too and made installed an electric fan and all that bullshit. Yeah, once I get a garage, it will probably be a lot easier to make videos every day and be able to make content for you guys for car videos and shit, because that's a lot of work. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this coming back video. It's pretty cool. I just did shit throughout my day, so hopefully you guys enjoyed. Click that like button and subscribe for more videos coming out in the future, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.